how you can resolve this problem. So first thing you want to do is open your command prompt right here. Just go to your search bar and search for CMD. And once you are on your command prompt, right click on it and click on Run as Administrator. So now the command prompt dialog box will open on your screen, as you can see right here. So what you can do now is paste this code right here. So I have a code on this. Here you can see this code right here, reg delete html /software /blackmagic design and /f. Just copy this. I'm just gonna copy this code and paste it right here. Make sure that it's on C drive and user. So once you do that, just press enter. And if you have the file, it will show you that the file will be deleted. Then exit the command prompt. And now what you have to do is basically restart your computer. Just go here and then click on restart and restart your computer once. After that, your problem should be fixed and you won't see this problem again. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching.